You're mine! I'll see you later! Talion! Ratpack needs your help! I've lost Ranger.
How do you lose an Olog?
He was taken! Found this messenger by his food bowl.
Isn't there an expression about killing the messenger?
Yeah, always kill the messenger.
That actually explains a lot. So what did he have to say?
He said, if you ever want to see your pet again, bring the Shrek-eaten Grave Walker.
Don't do that.
Oh, sorry.
You realize this is a trap?
Of course. But you owe me. And you owe Ranger. After all, we got rid of Bruce for you.
Not exactly how I remember it.
Well, we could quibble over details all day, but the fact is we're your boys. What will the other orcs think if you don't stand up for one of your own?
He's right. Orcs follow strength. If we allow our soldiers to be attacked without retribution, it will be seen as weakness.
You may have a point.
I do? I mean, yeah, I do! Now come on! Let's go get Ranger! Can't shake the Grave Walker! Look at us, working together, just like the old days!
Quiet will give us away. Just like the old days.
Then you swallow them, and then stick them back in your head after you shove them out. Works us to the bone, and whenever we complain, he kills us. He's the worst boss I've ever had. Quiet! If he hears you, rip out the tongues, make it swallow, and then rip off my ears and make you swallow them. There he is! The glorious bride lord! I knew that little sniveling crabber would manage to get you here. Bruce! I'll show you sniveling. What have you done with Ranger? Shut your trap! This is between me and the Grey Water. Come down here. We'll end this. This is just the beginning. First, it has to hurt. Then, if one of my boys kills you or that sniveling rat, so much the better. But if they don't, that's when the real fun starts, doesn't it? Back here, you rotten piece of schrack!
He's gone. But we'll see him again.
We better, because I'm not done with him!
Listen to me. We will find Ranger. We'll take care of Bruce once and for all.
Well, I'm not just gonna sit on my arse and wait. I will scour every inch of Mordor until I find him. And when I do, you will be the first to know.
Fair enough.
Bruce is just the beginning. The more power we gain, the more others will seek to challenge it.
Then we'll kill them.
No, he must be made an example of, or others will rise to take his place.
Then we'll kill them as well.
Why kill countless challengers when you can stop it all by breaking one?
Because we are here to win a war, and not play your politics.
In Mordor, they are one and the same. The longer Bruce survives, the more orcs will rally to his cause.
Popping off heads is hardly a cause. But you're right. We need to deal with him.
Ranger, we have to act quickly. Follow me.
Let me guess. You received another message from Bruce.
Aye, and you're not gonna like what he had to say. Bruce snatched up some of your boys and poisoned them. He wants you to know that if you don't move fast, they'll die.
He needs to be stopped.
While you sort this mess out, I'll get back to Trek and Bruce. Ratbag and Gravewalker, we make quite a team. You're ignoring me, aren't you? Is it because I said Ratbag first? How about the Gravewalker and Ratbag? Better? Okay, this is the place. You go do your thing, and I'll go do my equally important and heroic thing.
To make you and your boys suffer. He didn't have to ask twice.
Raiding Gondor should be good. I hope we strike out east too. I've seen Easterling kit. It's brilliant. cave walker. Stabbed him right in the heart. I never thought about that. Now that is confusing. Look out. Look out. That's why Bruce is so sore over the top. Isn't that enough? 2,000 now we've all lost everything. Look out! Look out! Wait till there's a bar. I smell something. Look out! Bruce was a legend before he met you. Undefeated in battle. You took that away from him. Look out. Look out. Better look out. You're gonna lose everything you've worked so hard to build. Bruce will tear it down. Look out! Look out! Better look out! Little rough I gave you. Look out! Look out! Well, grog to drink, man's wine to kill, and a good weapon at my side. What more could I want? Very
You know, the singer has one who sings, and it wasn't always so. I once was an all...
Look out! Look out! Are you having fun yet? Bruce wanted me to keep you and your foolish followers entertained.
Bruce is gonna take his time with you. He's gonna make you regret you ever crossed him. Stop squirming!
To be fishing that river. Maybe I'll wait in this. Oh, push Ace on in. He can see. Last thing I want to hear about is
I knew you'd come back for me! Let's blow up Middle Earth!
I don't think he wants it.
For the Bright Lord you will fight! Yeah, I'll gut anyone you want! I'm ready to spill some guts! Have fun!
I think I've had enough of Bruce and his antics.
You know what must be done. Death will not suffice.
You have sacrificed much.
Long afore, buried was Targorath by Karnan in Doom Shadow. Aghast, my forest destroyed, my brood scattered. Now again, fire is buried, drowned in ice, and from decay come bloom. The circle is unbroken.
There was an Uruk in Golgoroth. This Zog.
Chainer of Targoroth, he. Death's midwife. Raised Targoroth. Raised Orklings.
A necromancer.
He is near. Stains air with orc magics. Cunning he, Dwimmer crafty. They rise like tide waters. Baseborn, beset by death. They come for you.
By my oath, we will find him and honor your sacrifice.
Fetter the foul, or return them to dust. Defiled is the land. Cursed is the Maker. Haste! The Death Talker is near! A tormented beast is he. Blade to flesh.
All our work will be for naught if Sauron can raise the dead.
This Zog cannot be far off.
This is Zog's disease. Bring him to rot.
There. We must purify the necromancer totems. Only then can we end the ritual. We must purge this blight.
Close and closer still.
What do you need a Balrog for when you got undead? Because a Balrog would have shown every...
We meet again. I am Zog, and I've been watching you for some time. You're the inspiration for all this. What better army to defeat a dead man than a legion of undead orcs?
Zog.
This is for you!
You're not fighting us, Ranger. You're fighting the future. The dead will take Mordor for themselves, and not even you can stop us. Oh, there's more fun to come.
The Balrog will rise again!
Italian. They will not stop rising until we drain them. This Zog is dangerous. His acolytes perhaps more so.
We must track them down, wherever they are.